Lots of students want to start their coding journey. So when it comes to coding, the very first question they stuck with their head is, so which programming language should I start with? So now in this video I want to share you with top 5 programming languages with their field of use. So this is Vamsi Kanakam and let's get started. The first one in the list is Python. Python is a very powerful programming language. It is fast, easy to use, easy to learn and easy to deploy. Python also can be used as a primary programming language as it has very few syntaxes. If you want to make your career in machine learning, artificial intelligence and data science, you can opt for Python. You can also opt for Python if you want to choose Django and Flask as a backend languages. YouTube and Instagram are some of the famous platforms built using this Python language. The second one in the list is Java. Java is a robust language. Java was developed by Sun Microsystems. It was built on a principle called write once and run anywhere. If you want to run a Java file in your system, you must have JDK in your system. JDK stands for Java Development Kit. JDK consists of JVM and JRE, Java Runtime Environment and Java Virtual Machine. If you run your Java code in any system, it will run on Java Virtual Machine. So if you want to make your career in app development, Java is the best language to learn. Android very own SDK and OS built using Java. Netflix and Spotify are famous platforms built using Java. The third one in the list is C++. C++ programming language majorly used in competitive coding as it has very less compilation time. C++ also used in developing operating systems. Microsoft's Windows is one of the best example for it. And if you are interested in game development, engines like Unreal, CryEngine, Godot are some of the engines built using C++. And Adobe Photoshop and some of the database management systems like PostgreSQL and MySQL are some of the best examples built using C++. The fourth one in the list is JavaScript. JavaScript is a versatile language as it is used in different desktop applications, web applications, mobile applications and many more. JavaScript is also known as programming language of web as most of the web is dominated using JavaScript. If you want to develop a front-end environment, you can use vanilla JavaScript or you can use some of the frameworks like Vue, React, Next and many more. And if you want to go for backend part, you can use Node.js. Google, Twitter and Airbnb are some of the famous platforms built using JavaScript. The fifth one and the final one is Go or Golang. Golang is developed by Google. It is a procedure programming language. Golang is also known as the most promising programming language. It is created for developers as it reduces the development time and cost. And if you are using multi-thread, Golang is best for multi-threading. Kubernetes, Docker are some of the famous technologies built using Golang. These are the 5 programming languages most commonly used in the world. If you want to learn the language, just pick up a language of your choice. Like if you want to go for machine learning or artificial intelligence, just pick up Python. If you want to go for Android or mobile application, go for Python, go for Java. If you want to go for web, go for JavaScript. If you want to do some competitive coding, go for C++. And if you want to do some development stuff like if you want to learn DevOps, then go for Golang. So that's it for today's video. If you have any value added through this video, please make sure to like, share, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.